Hi guys, and good morning or good evening or good afternoon. My name is Ron. Welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when they post videos. Now today we're planning and prepping some meal snacks for the week. Today we're going to be making some egg bites, and we're going to be using a silicone mold that I got off of Amazon. So we're going to take 8 eggs and we're going to crack them into this process that I have. It's a blender. I got this on the Cole's website. I really love it. It's a blender that goes on like this, and you spin it around. Anyways, it mixes your stuff that you want to do really well. So we're going to take 8 eggs and we're going to put it in that, and then we're going to put a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and then we're going to take some ham that I bought, some regular store-bought ham. We're going to slice it up and cube it up into little cubes. And so I have my ham already. I have my ham already on the cutting board over here. So I'm just going to remove the towel and cut it up into cubes. And then once I got that in the cubes, I'm going to set that aside. And we're going to do everything in the front room. So I bought this silicone muffin holder. It holds 6, and they're large. So we're going to do 8 eggs into the Ninja Blender bullet, and then we're going to, once we crack the eggs, we're going to put a little bit of ham in each one, and we're going to fill up each mold with the egg mixture. We're going to pop this in the oven at 350 for about 10 or 15 minutes or until it's fully cooked. And, maybe put a little bit of paprika on top of it for just color for the egg. And then we'll bag each individual one in a Ziploc bag with a couple of slices of cheese, and that'll be a good carnivore meal snack to prep your meals ahead of time. Okay, so now that we got all that jibber jabber out of the way, why don't we just go right into the recipe. As you can see, I'm taking 8 eggs and I'm cracking them into the Ninja Blender bullet. Then I'm going to add some spices. Really simple, guys. Whatever you want to add for spices works, and it's all to taste. Once I had the mixture into the Ninja Blender, I added a little bit of heavy cream. Remember, at the end of the day, get what you can afford. Now it's time to add that heavy cream. Now, as far as the amount goes, I was just eyeballing the amount. I probably put about a half a cup of heavy cream in. And then we're going to go ahead and put the lid on the Ninja Blender bullet and get it going. Over here I was adding a little salt and pepper to taste. Pretty much simple, guys. Just going to put it in a blender and get that going for about 10 or 15 seconds. Now it's time to prep the ham. This is ham I got at the deli. I got the regular ham. I think this is pressed ham. I wasn't sure what kind of ham I had gotten. But over here I was having fits with the knife there. I definitely need to get a knife sharper. And it's very important that you have the proper tools when you're doing your cooking videos and prepping in the kitchen. Now that we got our ham all prepped and cut up, let's get that added into the silicone molds. And I guess you didn't really have to spray it, but I ended up spraying it anyways just to make sure. I sprayed it with a little bit of avocado cooking oil spray. Then I just dropped in a little chunks of ham, whatever I thought would work for this particular recipe. Just kind of look what I'm doing, and you'll be fine. Then once I had the ham all in the mold containers, I added a little bit of the egg mixture right on top until they were all evenly filled and divided. So what's great about this particular recipe, guys, you can pretty much put anything you want in there for meat. You can put sausages, it's just an idea, or some bacon bits, or even you put some vegetables in, and like maybe some, what I was thinking of broccoli maybe would work for this particular recipe. Any kind of your favorite vegetables that are perfectly fine for low-carb keto. Now that we have our egg muffins all ready to go, we're going to take them, pop them into the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Egg muffins are done. They just came out of the oven at the 15-minute mark. What I have doing right now, you're watching me take a knife around the inside of the egg bites because I want to see if they're going to pop out of the mold pretty easily there. When I stuck the knife in there, they were done. When I sampled one, they were absolutely delicious. You could put some sriracha on these or any favorite hot sauces, or I can't do hot and spicy foods because I have acid reflux, but remember I told you before in many of my other videos and my videos going forward, at the end of the day, you do what works right for you. Well, egg muffins are done. These are ham and egg muffins, and put them in the oven for 350 for 15 minutes. You can see from flipping it upside down, they are fully cooked. They came out nice and golden brown at the top. But why don't we take one of these and open it up and see what they look like on the inside. And when I did, they came out really, really fantastic. I never made these before, but I plan on making these again. These are perfect for carnivore and keto. So what I'm probably going to do when I'm doing a keto, when I want a keto snack, I'll probably take and put a little bit of vegetables in them. Look at how they opened up. They just popped right open. They were really, really great, guys. If your stomach can tolerate it, you can probably put some sriracha or some ketchup or stuff like that on there. But I got to be very careful when I'm eating. I'm be vigilant on the amount of foods that I'm consuming because it's very important to get healthy. But these are a great snack and on a go-to snack. If you're a parent and you're on the go-to all the time, or a busy worker, you can just take these and pop them in a little bowl or microwave them later and put them in a Ziploc bag. These even freeze pretty well too, by the way. But anyways, enough jibber jabber all that. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you enjoy the way I've been doing my videos now, because I've been really taking my time with this and support for me to get some good videos out there for you guys to enjoy. Well, anyways, this is Ron. I hope you enjoyed the day, and hope you have an amazing day. And remember, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Stay safe and stay healthy.